Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by using one AirPod and pairing it to your car or phone. This preserves ambient sound and legal compliance. Once connected, put your phone in a windshield-safe mount and turn on Do Not Disturb driving so visual distractions stop. Make sure Siri or your voice assistant is active. You will use voice commands for navigation, calls, and messages. Do this before you move the car so you avoid setup while driving and keep both hands on the wheel. You now rely on voice-first interaction. Ask Siri for turn-by-turn directions, make calls, or read messages aloud. This minimizes manual input. Once done with a request, pause and confirm the response by listening. Rapid follow-ups can interrupt navigation. Make sure volume is low enough to hear horns and sirens. Using a single AirPod preserves situational awareness. If you have repeated tasks, create shortcut phrases. When you reach your destination, remove or disable the AirPod and cancel Do Not Disturb driving so normal notifications resume. If audio cuts out while driving, calmly tell Siri to pause or reissue the command. If that fails, pull over safely and repair the AirPod or toggle Bluetooth. Make sure the AirPod fits well and has charge. Battery depletion is a common cause. If voice assistant stops responding, a quick phone restart or switching to the car's Bluetooth will restore hands-free control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.